Okay, this is the construction update for unit number 11 here at Terrace on Shoal Creek. They're finishing up the kitchen area. One of the things that's different about unit 11 is they took out the fireplace right here. It really adds a whole new level of space in the project. One of the things they're doing custom here is a fogged plexiglass there, give it a more modern look. Okay. The bathroom area. Okay, this is the first time the undermount sinks here are involved. I like that little detail they put on there. Washer dryer area. Here's your kitchen. Upgraded cabinets. That's a shaker style cabinet. I like that little detail right there. It's very nice. Okay, going upstairs. Love this open skylight. It has a lot of light in here. Okay, bathroom. Okay, here's the first bathroom that has the undermount sink option. And then he did a stand-up shower in here. I kind of like that too. Okay, like that tile. Coming in here to the spare bedroom. You want your storage spot over there. And then we have the master. Again, this unit, they took out the fireplace right here. Very nice. Light here. Super large closet.